everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on GQEBERHA, the Empire, from the 4th to the 8th of March 2024 on Monday. Hlumelo and the crew escape the robbery, but Stocky is on his auntie's radar. Hlumelo and Sivile continue clashing head on Tuesday. The Mklangers are not impressed with the hotel Hlumelo bought, and Vuyokazi thinks she has an ace up and her sleeve. Hlumelo and his son continue to butt heads on Wednesday. Lulama continued to sow seeds of division between Anati and Mahilda, but she also looked like she has a new target on Thursday. Hlumelo proposes to Nozuko in a lavish setup. Maimelelo butts heads with Nontle. Stocky left Hlumelo to the forensic reports that could implicate him in the CIT heist or haste on Friday. Hlumelo needs help to do the things that Funego made look easy, like a puppet master. Lulama sows division and mistrust between Anati and the people she loves. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back.